Hi everyone, welcome to Short and Simple Recipes. Today we are going to make dalcha. So let's get started. Here I have taken lentils, that is tur dal. According to the number of people who are going to eat, you can take that much. I have roughly chopped one onion and turmeric with salt and cooked it well. And I've made a puree of it, like I've blended it. Here I've taken tamarind and made tamarind water. Here I have taken bottle gourd and potato. One potato, one bottle gourd. Here I have Lucky Dalcha masala. You can take any dalcha masala. Then I have taken grated coconut, ginger garlic paste, coriander, tomato, roughly chopped onion and green chilies with salt and some oil. And I'm making chicken dalcha, so I have boiled some chicken with it. So let's get started. So once the oil is heated, we are going to add onions to it and fry it nicely. Now once the onions are gone translucent, I will add grated coconut to it and let it fry for 2 minutes. Then we will add ginger garlic paste. So once the coconut and the onions are fried, it will give you a nice aroma. After that, add ginger garlic paste to it and fry it. Once it's fried, add tomatoes and green chilies and cook it nicely for 2 minutes. So once this is fried, I'm going to add the dalcha masala, 1 pouch, and 1 I'm going to add afterwards. I'm not adding salt to it because in the lentil curry I had already added salt, and even in the chicken while boiling I had already added salt. So I'll check the taste and later I will add salt if required. So let's fry this for 2 minutes, then we will add the vegetable. So now I will add the bottle gourd and potatoes and cook it well. So once I've mixed the vegetable, I will add water to it and boil it till it does not become. So let's check if our veggies are cooked. It is 80% cooked. So now we will add the lentil puree to it. And cook it for 3 minutes. Before that, we will add dalcha masala, little coriander and tamarind puree and mix it well. Now once it's cooked, we'll add the chicken, boiled chicken to it. Now we will add the remaining coriander and salt, little salt according to your taste. And stir it and cook it just for 2 minutes and your dalcha is ready. Now our dalcha is ready. If you want, you can add the chicken stock also to it. Now we'll place it. So now our chicken dalcha is ready. We'll garnish it with some coriander leaves and coconut, grated coconut. And our chicken dalcha is ready. Please like, subscribe and share my video if you like it.